Welcome to another exciting backyard makeover. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to transform this space into a stunning covered hot tub decking paradise using Real Cedar. Before we jump in, let's assess what we're starting with. The homeowners have plenty of room for a hot tub, but as you can see, their yard is a patchwork of underused dead zones. Dropping the hot tub anywhere wouldn't do much for the overall experience. It needs a well-defined space to truly shine. And that's where Real Cedar comes in. When it comes to creating warm, inviting outdoor spaces, Real Cedar is the ultimate building material. Just take a look. Whether your style is modern, rustic, or somewhere in between, Real Cedar transforms any outdoor spaces, no matter the size or shape. Heading up today's project is James, VP of Böehm Construction. James, you and your crew have already been hard at work building the foundation. Can you take me through the design process, please?
Absolutely. The homeowners love using their hot tub year-round, as well as entertaining. So we've ensured they have two clearly defined spaces for those things. A raised section that's covered for their hot tub, which offers privacy, as well as this lower area where they can enjoy the sunshine while entertaining their guests. Surrounded by trees, we want to ensure we integrate with our natural beauty and use Real Cedar for almost the entire project.
Good call. Real Cedar has this amazing way of harmonizing with nature in a way that synthetic materials simply can't do. Now tell us about these engineered cedar posts.
You bet. Engineered cedar uses kiln-dried wood joined together by finger jointing, edge gluing, and veneer overlays to create larger components. Basically, it gives us the flexibility that we need for our custom projects. For this deck, however, the posts are engineered with a larger cross-section for added visual impact.
So you're telling me that these bad boys right here perform just as well as solid cedar and stand up to the elements over time?
You got it.
Wow, learn something new every day. So what's first on the agenda?
Skirting and fascia.
Okay, let's get at it. For fasteners, the crew's using stainless steel because they won't stain or corrode the wood. So what's the importance of skirting and fascia for this project?
Well, skirting and fascia are crucial for both protection and aesthetics. The skirting hides all of the rough framing below, giving a clean trim around the perimeter, and the fascia gives a termination point for all our soffit to end to, protecting it from moisture and damage.
Good to know. And for this project, we're using a beautiful knotty grade of Western red cedar.
Absolutely, it adds a lot of warmth and texture to the entire project.
So next up is decking. Any pro tips?
When we're laying out our deck boards, we like a 1/4-inch spacing strip between each board to ensure that our reveal is consistent for the entire deck.
Attention to detail. Love it. Can't wait to see it.
Absolutely.
Here's where it really starts coming together. Wow, have you ever noticed that no matter what the size of the deck is, Real Cedar makes a big impact?
Absolutely. Plus, it's resistant to moisture, decay, and insects, meaning this deck is going to look amazing for decades to come with minimal maintenance, making this a great investment for these homeowners.
Exactly. Outdoor living projects made with Real Cedar not only create beautiful spaces, but they actually add value to the home. So you gotta like that.
It's a showstopper.
We have time for one more component before calling it a day, the soffit. We laid down floor protection on the deck for this part. I just love how the T&G cedar creates a seamless, polished look, adding just a touch of elegance to the overall design. Not bad for a day's work.
Thanks. Yeah, it helps that we're working with Real Cedar. It's durable yet lightweight, so it's really easy to handle and our tools love it. Whether you're a pro or DIYer, Cedar's a go-to because it makes every project hassle-free. And the best part, the finished product always delivers. When clients want to see my work, I always show them my cedar projects.
Nice. So what's up for tomorrow?
Walls and niches.
Okay, well I guess I'll see you in the morning. So it's day 2 of the shoot. I'm just heading up to the site right now. I can already smell the cedar, smells amazing. And now we gotta get this job done today because the crew has another job tomorrow. Yesterday, James said we were running on time, but those can be famous last words, so let's go see how the crew's doing. Hey James, how's it going?
Good, you?
Good, are we still on schedule?
We are, maybe a bit ahead.
Nice. Words you don't hear every day during a home renovation project. Wow, the cedar walls really tie the whole design together. And not only does real cedar look good, but it's actually a green choice you can feel good about.
That's right. It's harvested from sustainably managed forests, it's renewable, and actually stores carbon.
Unlike man-made materials that can't. We're in the final stretch here, folks.
Thanks, man. Is a wrap.
I can't believe I'm saying this already, but it's time for the big reveal. Let's go. Oh my God, James, I love it. What a great design. Of course, we're standing where the hot tub will be and the entertainment section will be over there. But I love the details you included, like this privacy screen, this little niche here for drinks and whatnot, and the craftsmanship.
Thank you.
Thank you, Böehm Construction. And I love the tonal range of the Western Red Cedar. How good does that look here?
Yeah, so good.
Do we know what the homeowners are doing in terms of stains yet?
They actually haven't decided yet.
And you know what? They don't have to. They have so many options. They could do a solid stain here and maybe a semi-transparent here, create a little contrast. Of course, they could just let it weather naturally, eventually turning a beautiful silvery gray patina.
Well, that's what's great about cedars. It's just so versatile. With its pitch and resin-free nature, it grabs any finish you choose and looks fantastic.
Exactly. Let's look at some of the other stuff you did here. Thanks for watching, everyone, today. And if this transformation inspired you, hit like or subscribe and explore the many ways that Real Cedar can enhance your outdoor living space. Bye.